AMD takes a shot back at NVIDIA. You know, NVIDIA had a big event. They put out these really hot new cards.
Ray tracing.
Yeah, they put out all the ray tracing.
Yeah.
And I mean, it's been like tons of buzz on the internet. I don't know if you've ever been on the internet, but a lot of buzz right now. NVIDIA buzz, the gamers rejoicing, thinking about all those, all that ray tracing, all those frame rates, all those benchmarks. They're getting all fired up. They're getting ready for September, October.
Yeah.
Are we in September? We're in September. Very soon. We're getting ready. We're preparing ourselves. Well, AMD, they don't want to be left by the wayside. So they're ready to take on NVIDIA's new stuff.
How?
By releasing bicycles. Shout out to TechSpot for finding this one. Because for some reason, AMD recently published on their store 2 different bicycles you can buy. A mountain bike and a cruiser. AMD branded, orange tires.
Whoa, this is heating up here.
Obviously, they're not targeting NVIDIA, but it's just funny that people are sitting around talking about these people are. We talk often about iOS, Android, iPhone, this and that, and the various fandoms that exist around tech brands. And I've been talking about the NVIDIA stuff just a tiny bit, and you already get a sense for the battleground that exists inside of there. AMD people, NVIDIA people, Intel people. It's just like, wow. It's all there. So anyway, it's kind of funny to put these bikes up there. These are 2 bicycles on offer, the AMD Custom Cruiser bike and the AMD Custom Mountain Bike. They're not that expensive. They're both available for $299. They ship anywhere in America. Available in black and white with orange accents and AMD detailing. I don't know what to make of this, Will. This one caught me off guard. It's on, let me see. I'm going to go to the store right now. You can buy t-shirts. Oh, wait, the bikes are gone? No, hang on. I don't have the bikes right now. Hold on, shop all.
Wait.
Oh, yeah, I have the bikes.
Are they supposed to represent like horsepower or something? Or speed?
Dude,
like physical speed?
So the entire website, it's like a new type of merch. The website is stickers, hats, t-shirts, hoodies, and then a mountain bike shows up. I mean, that's a huge escalation right there. That's no chill. You have a water bottle. That's it. You have a collared shirt. You have some hats. And some reason there's 2 bikes there. 2 $300 bikes. I would say that's noteworthy.
Yeah, they're having fun with it. Why not? Just, add a bike in there.
What kind of attention are you going to get if you're rolling around on the AMD bike?
Probably not a lot. I mean,
you don't think anybody would even...
branding is very minimal.
I don't know, man. These could be legendary now. If you're amongst the right community, be like, man, you got the AMD bike for $299?
This could be a relic.
Yeah, like a collector's item or something. It's really, really strange. Now, like I said, it only ships... I mean, a bike is a large object, so it's understandable. It only ships to the United States at the moment. Black frame, white frame with black wheels, or white frame with orange wheels. Okay. And the shipping charge is $50 per bike. Custom AMD mountain bikes, designed for many years of fun and comfortable transportation. 21-speed bicycle loaded with great mountain bike features, including twist grip Shimano, index shifting, linear pole mountain bike brakes, dual suspension, 26-inch alloy wheels, and a quick-release seat post. I don't know, man. Whatever. Do as you will. Do as you can.
Because you can.
Bikes are merch now. We should just put out the Unbox Therapy bikes.
Yeah.
I mean, this is like, it must be a thing that you can order and you just slap your brand on it. Much like the merch looks the same way on this site.
Yeah.
I don't know, man. What to make of it.